A friendship cast in stone, a bond which has weathered the test of time, and now India-Austria relationship has been elevated to a higher level with India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the Central European nation. In a historic visit, the first by an Indian Prime Minister to Austria in 41 years, both countries have agreed to elevate their ties to a strategic one with a 10-year roadmap. Prime Minister Modi and Austrian Chancellor held talks over several critical global issues.
हमने निर्णय लिया है कि संबंधों को स्ट्रेटेजिक दिशा प्रदान की जाएगी। इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर विकास, इनोवेशन, रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी, हाइड्रोजन, वाटर एंड वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, क्वांटम जैसे क्षेत्रों में एक दूसरे के सामर्थ्य को जोड़ने का काम किया जाएगा।
The two leaders discussed the Ukraine and West Asia conflicts and reiterated the need to establish peace through progressive talks.
मैंने पहले भी कहा है कि यह युद्ध का समय नहीं है। समस्याओं का समाधान रणभूमि में नहीं हो सकता। कहीं भी हो, मासूम लोगों की जान की हानि स्वीकार्य नहीं है।
India is the biggest democracy in the world, and therefore India's role, especially for Austria, is more than important when it comes to the peace process and future peace summits.
Prime Minister Modi also met Austrian President Alexander van der Bellen in Vienna. Both leaders held talks and discussed several issues of mutual and global interests. To further strengthen economic ties, Prime Minister Modi and Austrian Chancellor jointly addressed renowned Austrian and Indian CEOs at roundtable business meeting in Hofburg Palace. Prime Minister highlighted significant potential for collaboration between Indian and Austrian companies in new and emerging technologies. Prime Minister also invited Austrian companies to invest in India. Earlier in the day, Prime Minister Modi was accorded a ceremonial reception at the Federal Chancellery in Vienna, Austria. PM comes at a time when both nations are marking 75 years of their friendship.
After this visit to Vienna, the relationship is supposed to get a quantum jump, and that is what these two leaders have talked about, and they've also offered to act as bridges of peace in wherever the world is in conflict, because that's something that the world doesn't need. It needs to move forward towards progress in a sustainable manner. This is Gautam Roy in Vienna, Austria for DD India.